Hello everyone, welcome to the Healthy Kitchen channel, where I share healthy recipes to help you maintain a balanced diet and improve your health. My goal is to provide quality content that can help you achieve your health goals. In this video, we discuss the 3 main benefits of lemons for weight loss. I want to remind you that our goal is to get 100 likes in this video. If we get there, we'll make a video with more tips to lose weight. Make sure you stick around until the end of the video, because we have an important tip for you. In this video, you will learn 3 lemon benefits that can help you lose weight healthily and effectively. Let's talk about how lemons can help burn fat, reduce inflammation, improve digestion, and more. Many people are looking for ways to lose weight healthily, and lemon can be a good choice. This citrus fruit is packed with nutrients and can help accelerate weight loss. In this video, we will discuss the 3 main benefits of lemon for weight loss, so you can incorporate this ingredient into your daily diet. Benefit 1. Lemon helps burn fat. Lemons are an excellent source of citric acid, which helps increase levels of lipotic enzymes in the body. In addition, lemon is a natural diuretic, which helps eliminate excess water and swelling of the body, thus aiding in weight loss. Studies have shown that regular consumption of lemon water can help reduce weight and body mass index, BMI. Therefore, if you are looking for a natural way to burn fat and lose weight, lemon can be a good choice. Benefit 2. Lemons are rich in vitamin C, which helps increase metabolic rate. When blood sugar is high, the body can store excess sugar as fat. However, lemons contain pectin, a type of soluble fiber that helps slow the absorption of blood sugar and prevent blood sugar spikes. This helps reduce the craving for sugary foods, which can help in weight loss. In addition, lemons are rich in vitamin C, which can help improve insulin sensitivity and reduce the risk of developing insulin resistance, risk factor for weight gain and obesity. In summary, incorporating lemon into your diet can help maintain healthy blood sugar levels and promote weight loss. Benefit 3. Lemon helps the body detoxify and eliminate toxins. Good digestion is essential for weight loss because it helps to decomplant food into nutrients and energy that the body can use. Lemons contain citric acid, which helps stimulate the production of hydrochloric acid in the stomach, improving digestion and absorption of nutrients. In addition, lemons are rich in soluble fibers such as pectin, which can help regulate the gastrointestinal tract, prevent constipation, and improve intestinal health. Another way lemons can aid digestion is by increasing bile production in the liver. Bile is a substance that helps break down fats, making them easier for the body to digest and absorb. Drinking water with lemon before a meal can help stimulate bile production, making it easier for the body to digest fatty foods. In addition, lemon has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, which can help reduce inflammation and improve overall health of the gastrointestinal tract. Therefore, incorporating lemon into your diet can help improve digestion and consequently contribute to weight loss. Did you like the tips on the benefits of lemon to lose weight? So leave a like in the video to help us reach our goal of 100 likes. When we reach this goal, I'll make a new video with more tips to help you lose weight. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to receive more quality content like this. Don't forget to check out the first links in the comments to get the exclusive bonus of this video. And if you want more tips to improve your health, check out one of these 2 videos that I'm sure you'll love. Thanks for watching, and until the next.